Freedom. It's in our DNA, our being. The freedom to create. The freedom to tell a story. The freedom to communicate and to collaborate, to work anywhere and to feel secure. The freedom to see what can't be seen. The freedom to create a bigger solution by connecting smaller pieces. We believe freedom is as important in business as it is in life. We have relentlessly innovated for a century to make working life better. To deliver tomorrow's business technology today. Technology designed to just work, to last, without drama, in the background, delivered with local expertise, with customer service so good that we can monitor products remotely and maintain them without you even noticing. With Panasonic behind you, you can be confident and free to focus on what you do best. Panasonic Business.